We are doing what we call hair restore treatment, which is exclusive to Ali'i Nani. We're using a combination of radiofrequency microneedling, peptide factor, and biotin. So with those treatments, we are actually helping hair to grow faster, and will also improve the texture, the structure, the thickness of the hair. So as you can see, it's a well-tolerated procedure. There's little discomfort, but overall, you can handle it. We are covering the entire area where there is hair loss. So normally it takes about 30 minutes for the entire procedure, and then after that we will inject the biotin. Biotin is vitamin B7 and is associated with also improving the hair growth, thickness, and overall the quality of the hair. Little redness in the area of treatment, and you can also combine this with at-home solution, minoxidil, for accelerated hair growth. And there's actually a study published where you combine this treatment with a topical solution, you will have more results compared to minoxidil alone.